Hi guys, so last time we created this static website in Nuxt using Nuxt and Beautify. So if we just run this again, I'm just going to say npm run dev. Let's just go into the correct directory here. Then you will see this is the website that we created last time. And let's just reload it. And there you can see, there is the website we created, a basic static portfolio website. So now what we would like to do is we would like to host this on GitHub pages, because this is currently just running on our local machine, but we want to kind of use it for a reference to our portfolio, and we want it live on the internet so we can make use of GitHub pages. Now GitHub pages is pretty cool because it's a free service that GitHub provides, which allows us to host any static files and static websites onto that repository. So let's do that. Also, what I've done is I've also added a small fav icon and just changed the title of our page. So if you go into, let's just close that. If you go into our index page here, you will see that I've added this title there. And that's also been updated now. So let's go to GitHub pages, to GitHub. So here you will see this is my personal GitHub account, and I can just add a repository with my username and then call it .github.io, and this will automatically be detected as a GitHub page. Now we can just say a description here. We can just say a basic portfolio website. Click on create repository, and there we go. And now we can just follow the steps here, and let's just do that. What I'm going to do is I'm just gonna, let's just see here. Yep, let's add this quickly. So let's just do a git init. Wait, let's first go into our this directory. And we can just do a git init. And we can say git add git commit -m our first release. Then we can just add the origin. So that is to our URL there, to our repository. And then we can say git push -u origin master. Alright, and I'm using an SSH key, so it's very easy to just push the files. So now if we go back to that GitHub directory and we just refresh here, you will see that files have now been uploaded. And if we actually go to that URL now, so let's, as you can see, this was on localhost. So if I refresh this, you'll see it's no longer running there. So if we go to GitHub, actually no, that should be my username, .github.io. This should now load our website. And there you can see, that was probably in 5 minutes a quick way to host your static website on GitHub pages. Next time we will look at the YouTube API and we will build onto this website, and we will add some of our videos down below.